better factory is getting ready to be finished. Progress by progress has been done and supervised specifically by our team. Even the owner of this property not here in Bali, we try to provide the best service that we can give to them. The key is a good communication and teamwork. We from Gauri provide the detail of an architecture and structure drawing as the guide for all the working stage in the field. And CV Kori Dewata Karya as the general contractor manage their team properly, such as the logistic, the worker on the field, the supervisor, and all the things that needs to be set up and done step by step to maximize the building result. We, Gauri and CV Kori Dewata Karya, always give a report for each and every stage of the building progress to our client. Whether it's a video report or image that we taken and send it to the group chat as the build progress goes further forward. And by doing a video review on the YouTube, part by part, our client is very satisfied and excited knowing that their project is well developed. So that whatever happening is noticed together, and whenever a problem is found, it can be solved quickly and the progress will be in line with the time schedule. Okay everyone, let's watch the video and see how it goes. The port is already there. We just still connect only because we conjure like conjunction. Yeah. We throw the wire, so we can connect.
But by my feeling, I was expecting here more space. Because on the paper is like a different, looks like a big one. But when we see like this,
This area.
this is parking, motorbike parking.
And then you can put the name of the staff.
Oh, come on, Waya.
You cannot change your motorbike park. You have to be parked there.
If they are messy, yes.
Otherwise,
Because sometimes they're messy, you
Then
know.
take money for
take
parking.
money 2,000.
Good boss.
You will take money, right? You will stand there.
Good boss.
Wow.
Yeah. With the master bed. Master bed.
So today we have Mr. Roman and Mrs. Olga. They just come from Russia, and we will evaluate the project together with Pak Wayan also, because it's like already 80% complete. Just the finishing, like we are on the second story now, on the top floor, and we're gonna check all the progress. And we hope they like the job. Let's go.
He's lying.
This one they have like a gray like this.
So you guys, as you can see before, we have select the material now. Because we have the paving block here, then we have the tile, and also for the for the bedroom. And we also got the wood. We have checked already, and I think Mrs. Olga like the natural color. Doesn't like too dark. And yeah, we just setting up this one before we do the finishing later. All the LED with the square shape. We put many. After all, we're gonna install. This is a free-form base, like very easy to install.
Yes.
Just remember, one light, how many is gonna be coverage. Then we have to think about how many meters is gonna be. Yeah, I think that's it for the part 4 video of Bali F Letter Factory, the property of Mr. Roman and Mrs. Olga from Russia. So they just back from Russia, and here in Bali they very happy and excited with the result that we have been given to them, as the project going fast and developed well by the team. And the target is to finish this project next month in October, because the end of the year is gonna be the rainy season. But it is also because all the roof parts been installed, and the things that need to be discussed is about the interior setup, the lighting system, and everything needs to be filled in the factory, so the factory can be start progressing their work and everything can be used. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned in the Art Division channel.